Hi there, fellow greasy people. I'm Chuck, this is Up Chuck Chops, and this is Harbor Freight Tool Haul. I could get a pair of gloves, a parts holder, or I think a pair of scissors for free today if I bought something. I bought things. But you can never have enough of these, so there's that. I found these push pin pliers. If I understand right, they're supposed to help you get the little bitty pinchy things that always want to break on old stuff and help you get those loose. I'm going to give them a try. If you want to see a review on these after I get a chance to, hit the button down in the comment. Now this was and wasn't the pair of pliers I was going for. I was watching Gearhead Geeks. He had a tool video the other day. The tools he uses, tools he has and he uses. And he had a set of pliers kind of sort of like this. But they were snap-on and they were much more expensive than these from Harbor Freight. These were less than 20 bucks. And they had like a slip joint in here where you could change the width. But the ones the closest to like that, guess what? It wasn't on the shelf. They were out. So I got the next best thing and I'm going to give them a go. These are so great. The magnetic screw to your wall things, fantastic. I already have two. I picked this one up for just in case I might need it. And the last thing, maybe the most important thing, I got a manual air hose reel. I don't like the ones you pull and lock out and use and then roll back in, because I've yet to see one that doesn't jam or that will smoothly roll up the whole hose. So I got a manual one. I'm tired of rolling up that hose over there and fighting it every single time. So I'm going to mount this up. You probably don't care to see that, but I thought you might be interested in my tool haul. Like I said, you want to see reviews on these? Do the thing in the comments and let me know which one you want to see reviewed. After I give it some use and I can give it an honest thumbs up, thumbs down, you know. Is it 5 out of 5's heave on an upchuck, or I haven't figured what I'm going to call that out yet, but anyhow. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you later.